you go. Amos, get a bite. Here you go, Gryphon. Get you some too. Good birds. Say, oh, yum, yum. Is that good stuff? Is that good stuff? Gryphon said, I want some more. You want some more? Yeah. Yum, yum. Is that good? Amos, don't get over there too close to him now. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yum, yum, Gryphon. Mm-hmm. Is that good stuff? Gryphon says that's good stuff, Mom. Here, Amos. I know. It's kind of hard to feed y'all and do the camera at the same time. You watch Gryphon, you don't bite Mom. Good boy. Oh, yum, yum. Good stuff. Look at them eyes are pinning. Amos, why don't you come down here? You make Mama nervous. Come down here. Come down here. Get away from Gryphon bird. Yeah, no boy. I'll get you a piece. Did you get a piece? Here you go, Gryphon.